Hey everyone, I'm daezhanexo. I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be about my hair. So our setup is a little bit different today. Comment down below if y'all like it. I'm trying to get better lighting, so this is like the best area right now. I apologize if you end up hearing anything in the background as far as like the maintenance people working or doing the yard work or anything. Okay, so the wig that I have on today is by the brand Outre, and it is their Color Bomb wig. The wig is in their blonde collection, and the name of the wig is KIMANI. The color that I have this wig in is 3D RFF Sandstone Blonde. I actually wanted the 3D RFF Amber Blonde, which is the one in the middle. I ended up getting this one because the other ones were sold out. So also to the people who make the wigs, or even to the online beauty store retailers, I don't know whose job this falls on, but could y'all please show us the wigs in different colors? Like these little swatches, they don't help. I never would have imagined that this swatch for this would have looked like this. Never. I never would have thought that. So can y'all please show us the wig in every color on the website? I know wig types, they used to do that. I don't even think they do that anymore, but you know, it would be really helpful. I mean, this was a pleasant surprise. I'm glad that I got this color, but I never would have thought that the wig would look like this from the swatch. Let's get into this wig. The color bomb, and the name Color Bomb. I see what y'all did there, because the color is bomb. Okay, color is bomb. The lace is really nice. It is a soft lace, so when it comes to synthetic wigs and soft lace, that's pretty good because you know, it's gonna make the synthetic wig look natural. Now the con to soft lace is that it rolls, so that is why I had to like curve my baby hair over a little bit more, because the lace is rolling because I don't have a good glue to lay the wig all the way down. So the thing is, if you have a good glue to lay your synthetic unit, this wig will be fine. You don't even need baby hair for it because the lace is just gonna already look so natural. But if you do not lay this wig properly, the lace will roll in the front because it is soft lace. So if you see this mark right here, that is because I got too carried away and I messed up my part by over plucking. And well, not over plucking, but I just ripped a hole in the lace. So kind of upset about that. If y'all know any tricks as to how to fix ripped lace, please leave some comments down below, because I don't like that. So texture. The texture of this unit is a very coarse, thick feel. It's like a thick fiber, so it's not the silky lace, silky strands like normally. Also tangling. Let's get into it. The wig does tangle, okay? It tangles, but I believe that's because of the texture that it is, as well as the way the curls are. The curls kind of curl into each other, which can cause tangling for a synthetic unit, as well as the fact that it's long. It's about 24-26 inches. I am 5'4", so that's a reference for you all. But yeah, it does tangle. Excuse me, Mr. Airplane. But anyway, it's a synthetic unit, so it's going to tangle, especially at the ends, and especially with the texture of the hair. So let's talk about construction. So 1 comb, 2 comb, 3 comb in the back, drawstring, pull to adjust, so good for ladies with small heads or big one. Lace extends from ear to ear in the front, so it can give you a natural hairline. However, the only parting that you have is right here. So it's not one of those units where you can just get your comb and part all over. Not that. Your only part is going to be right here. However, you do have a lace from here to here for a natural hairline, so that's pretty cool. Baby hair, it does come with baby hair, and the baby hair is pretty long, so you can do whatever you want with your baby hair. So this wig is fire to me, okay? Like, it's so nice. The color is amazing. This will be, I don't know if I would use this as a everyday wig, maybe just a I'm coming for you, wig. Like, this is your one day. Like, we just stepped out of quarantine and I gave y'all all this time to get y'all set together and you didn't. So now I'm coming to step on your neck, like, first day out type wig. You know what I'm saying? That's the tea there. I bought this wig from samsbeauty.com, so I have the link to the wig down in the description box, as well as everything else that you need to know about the wig. I want to say this wig was like $35, $36, but like I said, all the information will be listed down below, color and everything. If you want to see me straighten this wig, then give me some subscribers, share this video, get me like 50 subscribers and I'll straighten the wig. Drop some likes as well. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I have to say about this unit. If you want to see pictures of me in this unit, then head over to my Instagram at daezhanexo and you can see pictures of, you know, the wig in more detail. I'm eager to know what y'all think about this unit. I'm eager to know if you've already bought this wig and you like it. So leave some comments down below and let's chat. Thank you for watching this video.